Hello everyone. So today's video is regarding an Android app called the Housing Society app. This app is kind of a small project that the students of engineering or the bachelors in computer science or the IT students can demonstrate in their final year projects. This final year project typically consists of around 50 or 100 marks based on the field of study. So I will show you today the workflow, the entire flow of the app, how this app is made, which architecture it uses, and how the different features of the app are implemented together. So stay tuned. So this is our UI of the Housing Society app. The first screen we have is the it asks for the permissions for the phone calls, so we'll allow this permission by left clicking on it. Then allow Housing Society to access the photos and media, so I will allow this permission as well. So this is the entire UI, the home screen of our Housing Society app. Above is the image. I have just given any of the image from the Google search. You can give any image of your choice, or if you're implementing this for a specific society, then you can paste that image in this of the society in here. Here we have four options, where the first is My Society, Add Visitors, Help, and Visitors. So we'll click on My Society. When I click on My Society app, on the My Society menu, so here I get the society image, and below is the about section of the society, of your current society, all the details of this. You can add the specific details of your need, and then I will go back to the app. Here is the Add Visitors section. When we click on this section, we'll be taken to the section where we can record the visitors. So I click on this section, and it will open the screen for the Add Visitors. So here we have different fields. Enter the name. So the name of the visitor will enter this building. So I enter okay. If you want, you can just make this capital. The phone number, the room number, work, for what kind of work are you going visiting the person. So going for studies, the time, the in time and the out time. So when I click on this field, it gives me a pop-up for the time selection, where the time takes the system time for the default, so I select 9:29 p.m. And for the out time, I will give it as I will be leaving his home around 6 o'clock, so I give the 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock evening, yes, p.m. Okay, and then I hit this tick button. So once I hit, it says insert done. So this record has been saved. So here is the third option, where we have the help section. I click on this help section to actually check what it consists of. So here we have like three small fields, or like cards, where we have the secretary, chairman, and the watchman, and we have the small call button. So in case if you have some work with the watchman person, you can actually click on this button to make a call. If you want to have a talk with the secretary of the building, I click on this button of the call, and when we click on this button, we are actually taken to the call section of our mobile device with this number. This number is this number of the secretary that is built in. You can actually edit this number, and once you have the source code, you can make just these changes, and even I can give you the changes that you require in this section. So I go back to my app. Now I have created a person for the visitor. So let us check in the visitor section. So I click on the visitors menu, and here you can see name, mobile number that I provided, the room number, the work for which I'm going, the in time and the out time. So similarly, you can create more to patients, more to visitors in the section. I might create uh, Ramesh, uh, Rajesh, Soni, and the mobile number. So here you can see I'm clicking, I keep on typing, but the numbers, it takes only 10 digits. So I give the room number as 110. The work is business work. So this section is similar to where you need to go to any visit any society, and at the reception person, it takes details of your details, the work why you are going, so that section. So similar is this flow. Instead of the book work, instead of wasting the resources, the trees and all, we'll be using this app. For each society can use this type of app. I click on save. Now the insert has been done. Let us check in the visitors section. So see here, this is the second record that has been created with the this person, the Rajesh, and here the Prajwal person. So both of these are the visitors. So this was the, and this app, the the architecture based on which I have created this app follows the MVVM architecture, as you can see in the code over here. I will show you the architecture, the project flow that the based on which I have created. I have followed the MVVM pattern for this project. MVVM basically is model view model architecture, so that this app won't be affected on orientation or configuration changes, such as like rotating the device or changing the language of this of your device and then returning to the app, so it won't again restart your app current from the start. So that will be handled. So if you want to access the source code, to if you want this as your project for the final year, or just a piece of work that you want to keep with yourself, please email me at the email address which I have added in the description box below. And do let me know your response or any other changes that you need in this video or the contents of it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.